Looking for a hassle-free way to install your depth finder on a kayak? The YakAttack CellBlok is designed to make that process effortless. Imagine mounting your fish finder without drilling holes or fiddling with complicated wiring. With the CellBlok, you get a sleek, track-mounted battery box that doubles as a mounting platform for your depth finder, making setup quick and secure. What sets the CellBlok apart is its smart design and durable build. The top surface is perfectly sized to hold the YakAttack SwitchBlade Transducer Arm and fish finder mount, so you don't have to compromise on stability or convenience. Plus, it fits on YakAttack GearTrac and most other kayak track systems, requiring just 10.5 inches of track space. This means it works with a wide range of kayaks, offering flexibility no matter your setup. The 2020 upgrade brought a major improvement: injection molded construction that cuts the weight by 25%, now weighing only 1.4 pounds. It's lighter without sacrificing strength, crafted from premium materials built to withstand harsh marine environments. Cable wraps have also been enlarged to fit the thicker wires of today's fish finders, keeping everything neat and protected. Inside, the CellBlok offers ample space, 375 by 425 by 2.6 inches, to safely store your battery, compatible with YakAttack, Aqua and Dakota lithium 10Ah batteries. Its exterior dimensions of 10.25 by 6.75 by 3.5 inches ensure a compact profile that won't weigh down your kayak or get in the way. Assembly is straightforward, and while some users mention the instructions could be clearer, the adjustable design lets you customize the setup to your liking. Once installed, you can easily attach or remove your depth finder by loosening just 2 knobs, no tools required. That means more time fishing and less time fumbling with gear. If you're serious about kayak fishing, the YakAttack CellBlok is worth a look. It's a proven solution that blends convenience, durability, and smart design, helping you keep your electronics safe and accessible on the water. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your kayak setup and experience the difference firsthand. Ready to simplify your kayak fishing gear? The YakAttack CellBlok offers a secure, lightweight, and easy-to-use platform for your depth finder and battery. No drilling, no hassle, just reliable performance every time you hit the water. Check it out and see how it can change your fishing experience for the better.